Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you select type of calendar on your iPhone. We go to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Click here on general. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Click here on language integration here, just click on it. You come to next step here. So then you click here on calendar here, just click on it. Then here can you select type of calendar if you want to add Georgian or Japanese or Bradits. So here can you select it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.